letters march from A to Z, hurrah, hurrah. The letters march from A to Z, hurrah, hurrah. A is for apple, B for bee, C is for cat up in a tree. And they all go marching one by one. Learning letters is so much fun. Boom, boom, boom. D is for dog who loves to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims so fast. G is for goat who runs right past. And they all go marching two by two. Come along and march on two. Boom, boom, boom. H is for hat upon my head. I is for igloo, cold and red. J is for jelly that's sticky and sweet. K is for kite flying down the street. And they all go marching three by three. Sing along from A to Z. Boom, boom, boom. L is for lion with a roar. M is for monkey who jumps some more. N is for nest in a tall green tree. O is for octopus under the sea. And they all go marching four by four. Learning letters more and more. Boom, boom, boom. P is for penguin, waddle and glide. Q is for queen with royal pride. R is for rain that falls from the sky. S is for sun that rises high. And they all go marching five by five. Keep those letters all alive. Boom, boom, boom. T is for tiger, strong and bold. U is for umbrella when it's cold. V is for violin, you play with the bow. W is for whale that swims down low. And they all go marching six by six. Learning ABCs with clever tricks. Boom, boom, boom. X is for X-ray, showing your bones. Y is for yarn in colorful tones. Z is for zebra, stripy and neat. Now our ABCs are complete. And they all go marching one last time.